Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot near SM 13? Baka ito nang para sa'yo. Located along Governor's Drive near Walter Mart, Pure Gold, and Capitolio. Ang maganda sa subdivision na to with complete amenities. May swimming pool, tennis court, basketball court, jogging and cycling pathways. Ito ay may lot area na 50 square meter at floor area na 45 square meter. Ito ay may isang toilet and bath sa ground floor at 2 bedrooms sa second floor. May promo discount kami na 40,000 pesos. Ang TCP nito ay 2.5 million with the reservation fee na 20,000. Ang 20% down payment payable up to 24 months. And this is available via bank, Pag-ibig, and in-house financing. Available din siya in bare and semi-complete turnover. Kung gusto niyo naman na lote lang, meron din kami yan. 100 square meter at 1.9 million. Free tripping kami dito everyday at may pick-up at Pasay MOA. For assistance and for more info, contact us on this Facebook page or this number.